family? Your welding coach Black Phoenix checking in, and today I wanted to introduce you to some of my Hog On Welding gear on Amazon. And here's some of my brand, fam. This is some of the military brand. I got different colors, so you can get everything in about 10 to 12 different colors, family. So, and it comes in different styles. So once you go to Amazon and you put in Hog On Welding, separate the hog and the on, and T-shirts at the end, it's gonna pop up. When it pops up, go to the brand, and then you will see all the shirts, the hoodies, the long sleeve T-shirts, different colors and different styles. So let me show you a few of them. Step in for a second. Show the people what we got. It's a nice one. I really like this color right here. Shout out to the military. My grandfather was also a vet, so this is for the Navy. This is a cool color. And I got different colors of that also. This is one of the original Hog On. Hustling over granted obstacles naturally. One of the original Hog On. Check out the red Pan Africa. For those who've seen the black edition, that's the red edition. Here go another original Hog On. Honoring our generation, ornamental nature. Oh, I really like this one. Here go my pink and army, military. Shout out to the vets. My grandfather was a veteran, so you know we get our hog on with everybody. Here go the green Pan Africa joint. I like this one too. Y'all know I got the black one. I showed y'all the black one day. I just wanted to give y'all some updates of it. Like I say, go to Amazon, put in Hog On, separate the hog and the on, welding T-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve, short sleeve. You'll see all the different brands and styles. And we out. Hog On.